This is my video. Mike Lipsicum directed this. He was the only director that I called. After I saw the Tricky video, I felt, I think this person understands the hidden in something, the layers. And I called Mike. We hung out for a little while. And as soon as he heard it, he started to really crawl into the space with me where it's about the death of this girl. A part of her had to die, a part of me had to die, that wanted to destroy the other part. So it really became a fight with the soul and the self. And my God, floating like that was the most painful thing I've ever done. But working with him was pretty fantastic. Called a Lite Sneeze.